Today is Unit 5, Lesson 14, Thursday, January 16th. You have a quiz today, and we are less than a week out from our MPG math test. Time will be on the math test, so get ready. Today, tomorrow, and every day. So today we are actually putting hands on a clock to identify time, or to represent a time. So today, tomorrow, and every day, I can represent a unit of time on a clock to the nearest 5-minute increment. Same as yesterday, except today we're not reading, we're representing. And we're gonna do the same by how can I count by fives to show my minutes? This is very procedural. Should the hour hand be on or between two numbers? Why? And does the time on the clock match the written time? How do I know? I'm struggling right now because I'm wondering if we should just ask where does the minute hand go? Where does the hour hand go? And these are backup questions, but for right now, I actually think they're okay. Great. So first, I identified the minutes. So it says 45, and I wonder if even going minutes on here and hour on here would be helpful. So my minutes were 45. I skip count by fives to identify where 45 is. Then I mark my, so this was step one. I identified the groups of 5. Step 2, I put the minute hand all the way towards that 45. And they don't need to put an M for the minutes because it actually made it harder for me to put the hour hand on. Then I asked myself, what hour does this, what hour is it? And where does the hand need to live? I know that when we talked on Wednesday of this week, I had said to just have them pointed at the hour. And even looking at this, I realized that it's gonna be hard, but because they have the axis point from the day before, the moment that we exceed a half hour, as long as if you show them the little clocks, and you all should have the little clocks from yesterday, if you show them how as you're turning the hand, the hour hand is slowly moving, it doesn't just go click, click, click each time, it shifts slowly in between. And so I had it placed about midway between. And again, just like yesterday, I have the hour bundle or the hour group labeled.